We're here at the Bluefield, Virginia plant where we do splice materials and diagnostic services.
You buy a really expensive conveyor belt, which can become damaged very quickly or over a duration of time. Without actually monitoring any of that progression, you may be damaging your belt, not knowing it until it falls apart or you get a very catastrophic break or rip.
One of the monitoring solutions that we offer is Eagle Eye Advanced. Eagle Eye Advanced is a PLC-controlled conveyor monitoring solution that evaluates steel cord monitoring for the steel cord damage. It also does rip detection and historically captures all that data for trending and general reporting.
Another system that we offer is the Rip Ranger Plus system. It's a lighter version than Eagle Eye. So instead of monitoring for steel cable and rip, this is a product for customers who are only interested in protecting their conveyor belts from rip. Primarily, this is a system more for the fabric conveyor belting.
Rip Ranger monitors the conveyor real-time 24/7 to help stop in a timely manner if a rip should occur.
We've recently developed a web application that we're calling Bird's Eye. It's a home repository for all of the information that we receive from the different conveying systems, such as Eagle Eye and Rip Ranger, as well as the different services that we offer, such as the scans, the x-rays, the physical inspections. All of this information is tied in one place into Bird's Eye.
It gives you access from anywhere, from a phone, a tablet, a PC, so you can see that information in an instant. It also gives a platform where you can have conversations about certain things that have happened with your conveyor.
The ROI that systems generate can really be seen by prolonging belt life and by stopping catastrophic and maybe long-term downtime for a customer. Started off being just diagnostics. We've recently developed more on the splicing side for splice kits, loop production.
For splice kits, we get the order in. They come with a cut sheet from what needs to go in it. So we run the cut sheet, cut the material that has to go into the splice kit, label it all, box it up.
A key aspect there is the ability for the engineering department and the diagnostics department to review these processes. So the loops are built here in-house, from production to installation to actually interpreting the data. All of that is now housed here in Bluefield.
The Bluefield facility is unique in the fact that we are a small facility. We're not a large number of employees, but we all work together and we all do multiple jobs.
The innovation at Bluefield comes from our quality of our people. We don't have a sense of we can only do things one way. We're always looking for new and innovative ideas, whether it comes to safety or product development or our general production. If we can improve it, we will.
Fenner and Bluefield is unique because we all chip in and help each other a lot.
Everybody's just friendly. We're just more or less like one big family. We help when we need to help out each other. So the work atmosphere is great, and that makes a big difference.